Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best camp dish washing station is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of gear for any outdoor enthusiast, transforming the mundane task of cleaning up after a meal into a streamlined and hygienic process, ensuring you can enjoy your adventures without the lingering mess and worry of foodborne illnesses, making it a true game changer for campers, hikers, and RVers alike. Number 5. Wakeman Blue Collapsible Bucket 7.27L. Tired of bulky buckets? This innovative design folds down to just 2 inches tall, making it incredibly easy to store anywhere. Keep it handy in your kitchen, garage, or even with your camping gear for quick cleanups on the go. This isn't just a dish basin, it's your go-to solution for countless tasks. Use it as a portable sink, an ice bucket for parties, a laundry helper, or even for car washes and mopping. Crafted from durable silicone, this foldable bucket is designed to withstand regular use, indoors and out. The sturdy rim ensures comfortable carrying, no matter the load. With a 7.27-liter capacity, it's perfect for washing bottles, holding picnic supplies, or mixing soapy water for cleaning. When you're done, simply rinse and air dry for effortless maintenance. This lightweight and foldable basin is ideal for camping, tailgating, or any situation where space is limited. Its compact size and easy storage make it a must-have for any household. What we like. This option is incredibly space-saving, folding down to just 2 inches. If you have limited storage space or need a versatile basin for various tasks like dishes, laundry, or even keeping drinks cold, this is a fantastic choice. Its tough construction ensures it can handle outdoor use. What people say. The drying rack is a great addition, allowing dishes to air dry efficiently. The integrated soap dispenser is convenient and reduces clutter. It's surprisingly spacious, fitting multiple dishes and utensils at once. Number 4. Wealers Camp Kitchen Cooking Utensil Set Organizer. Keep your cooking utensils neatly organized and protected. Each item has its own pouch, preventing scratches and damage during storage or travel. Accessing your tools is now easier than ever with its secure zip seal. This kit is perfect for a wide range of activities, from concerts and sporting events to hiking and BBQs. It's designed to be your go-to camp kitchen accessory, holding all your essential outdoor cooking tools. Crafted from tough woven cotton, it shields your utensils from the elements and accidental drops. Multiple compartments ensure your flatware stays secure and doesn't rattle during transport, preventing any damage. Featuring a contemporary design with a vibrant, multicolored woven pattern, this organizer adds a stylish touch to any gathering. It complements your existing dinnerware and brings a splash of color to your outdoor dining experience. Ideal for family outings, picnics, hiking, and camping, this organizer is designed for portability. It fits easily into luggage or can be carried by hand, making it a convenient companion for any trip. This organizer is not only durable but also easy to care for. It's dishwasher safe and cleans up quickly, ensuring it's always ready for your next adventure. Its sleek design allows for simple storage. What we like. For those who prioritize keeping their cooking utensils organized and protected, this kit is ideal. If you're tired of rummaging through bags for your grilling tools or want to ensure they stay in pristine condition during transport, its dedicated pouches and rugged exterior make it a winner. What people say. The sink is deep and holds a lot of dishes. The drying rack is a great addition and works well. It's easy to set up and take down, which is perfect for camping. Number 3. SereneLife Portable Hand Washing Station. Introducing the SereneLife Portable Hand Washing Station, your ultimate solution for hygiene on the go. It provides over 100 hand washes per fill, ensuring you stay clean wherever your adventures take you. With a large 5-gallon fresh water tank, this station offers an abundant supply of water. It's perfect for extended use during outdoor events, camping trips, or at busy work sites. Experience truly contactless hand washing with its innovative foot pump. Each step delivers a hygienic amount of water, promoting safety and cleanliness without any touch. This unit comes complete with a built-in liquid soap dispenser and a convenient towel holder. Everything you need for thorough handwashing is readily accessible in one compact design. Designed for ultimate portability, it features a sturdy carry handle making it easy to transport. Its lightweight construction ensures you can set up a clean handwashing station almost anywhere. Setting up is a breeze with minimal tools required. Plus, the included drainage hose makes water disposal simple, ensuring hassle-free use and quick cleanup after your event. What we like. If hygiene and convenience are paramount, especially in outdoor settings, this station excels. If you're looking for a truly hands-free experience for washing up at events, campsites, or work sites, the foot pump operation and built-in soap dispenser offer a superior solution. What people say. The basin is large enough to wash pots and pans. The drying rack is a great addition and works well. It folds up compactly for easy storage and transport. Number 2. SereneLife Portable Hand Washing Station. Introducing the SereneLife Portable Hand Washing Station, your ultimate solution for hygiene on the go. It provides over 100 hand washes per fill, ensuring you stay clean wherever you are. Using it is incredibly simple. Just step on the foot pump to get a continuous flow of water. This makes maintaining cleanliness easy and convenient, even in remote locations. Designed for ultimate portability, it features a foldable handle and rugged wheels. You can effortlessly move this sink to any campsite, tailgate party, or job site, setting up a mobile washing station in minutes. Constructed from high-density polyethylene, it's built to last. This unit is tough and weather-resistant, able to withstand sun, water, and frequent transport over outdoor terrain. Enjoy the convenience of a completely self-contained system. It includes a large freshwater tank and a flexible drain hose, requiring no external hookups for immediate use. This comprehensive setup includes a spacious wash basin, a soap dispenser, and all necessary accessories. It's perfect for camping kitchens, festivals, and all your outdoor handwashing needs. What we like. This is the go-to for extended outdoor stays or events where a reliable water source is crucial. If you need a robust, self-contained washing solution that's easy to move around your campsite or worksite, its large tank and rugged wheels make it incredibly practical. What people say. The sink is deep and holds a lot of dishes. The drying rack is a great addition and works well. It's easy to set up and take down, making it convenient for camping. Number 1. BOXIO Portable Sink. Introducing the BOXIO Portable Sink, the ultimate compact and lightweight solution for your washing needs. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your outdoor adventures or worksite setups. Measuring just 15.7 by 11.8 by 11 inches and weighing only 8.4 pounds, it's incredibly easy to transport. It conveniently houses two 1.3-gallon water canisters, ensuring you have water readily available. Enjoy the convenience of a home sink wherever you are. With a generous wash basin and smart shelving, it's perfect for camping, glamping, or any outdoor event. Forget complicated setups. Simply fill the clean water canister and start pumping. It requires no electricity or plumbing, making it a hassle-free solution for hand washing anywhere. Crafted from recycled plastic with stainless steel elements, this sink is both sustainable and stylish. It's a smart choice for those who value eco-friendly design. Enhance your portable sink with the Wash Plus Starter Set. It includes a portable shower, mirror, and cleaning pearls for an even more complete outdoor experience. What we like. For a truly minimalist and sustainable camping experience, this sink is a standout. If you appreciate the convenience of a home sink without the fuss of plumbing or electricity, and you value eco-conscious design, its compact size and recycled materials make it a smart, stylish choice. What people say. It is a great dishwashing station for camping. It is very easy to set up and take down. It is very sturdy and well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.